Why is my camera not focusing? There we go. It's the little munchkins dumpling around. They haven't quite found their legs yet. I like it when they fall over because they're too fast on their hindquarters. Get in. No biting. They have teeth. They have teethies. Look at them.
Faces.
And I think you can tell that there are two different fathers involved because there are two dark ones.
I was just
And
noticing
two light
that.
ones. Okay, time to go night-night. Time to go night-night.